Today, let's make the car shell column by hand. Materials need to use ABS board and glue. This is the perfection with BS board and glue, still a semi-finished product. Tien will fix these two pillars to the board again. This hollow pillar was made by Yi Sha, determined to drop the material board. I cut it to the size I wanted from the start. Then sand it smooth where needed. Finally you can stick them together like this. Apply glue very well. The whole process feels nice. The position of the Leroy point of the hull pillar has been drawn and marked in advance. But be very careful when sticking, it's easy to deviate if it's not too high. Come and try putting on the car cover. Basically perfect. Then now add a few stiffeners to the car light. In order to avoid the car shell attached to the ground in the later stage, a single seat without stiffeners is easy to read. It's glued after all. Have a chance to listen a lot. Further strengthen the 4 degrees of the car. The back is already done. That's about it. This is the finished front hull pillar seat. I will use screws to fix this body column to the frame. Hard, through a recent toss. It feels like playing RL if you have a certain amount of hands-on ability. Will create more fun, sometimes things you can't buy. I can do it myself. Finally see the finished product. Feels like this time is not in vain, still worth it. Make a drive shaft. First you need to cut a stick of the right length. After the sawing off, a hole is punched in the middle of the rod. Try not to miss this hole. After drilling the hole, then grind the end of the hole into a semicircle, like in the video. This side is almost polished. The other side should also be polished to the same shape. All polished and after the bolts are installed. That's it for the front drive shaft. Now try loading the car. Take a look at the finished effect.